In this video, I will show you how to easily change and set backgrounds in Canva like a pro. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the Templates tab and select Poster to open up a new blank design. Once the editor loads, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and type Background into the search bar. I'll start by looking through the Graphics section to see the different styles available. I'll click on a watercolor design I like, right-click it, and then select Set Image as Background to fill the entire canvas instantly. If I want to try a different look, I can select another graphic, like this purple starry pattern. Right-click it and set it as the background again. I can quickly cycle through different options like this pink gradient or even an illustrated scene like this soccer field. Whenever I find one I like, I just right-click and choose Replace Background to swap them out. I'll try this vibrant city illustration next to see how it looks. Now, let's switch over to the Photos tab to find some realistic textures and landscapes. I'll select this crumpled paper texture and replace the background to give the design some depth. I can also try a dark blue moody texture or something more scenic like this black and white mountain landscape. Finally, I'll test out this beautiful autumn forest by the lake. It's that simple to find and apply the perfect background for any project.